Bonjour everyone, welcome back to Learning French with Sana. Today we'll learn how to ask the name of somebody and how to say your own name. Me and Sophie are in a conversation. I don't know Sophie's name. I'm going to ask her. I will say, Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? This means, what is your name? Say it again. Comment tu t'appelles? To this, Sophie will respond, Je m'appelle Sophie. This means my name is Sophie. Sophie now wants to know my name. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? This means, and you, what is your name? I will respond, Je m'appelle Sana. Let's now hear the conversation in full swing. Bonjour, comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Sophie. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Sana. Thank you.